Start eating a cucumber a day, see what happens to your body. Though commonly thought to be a vegetable, cucumber is actually a fruit. It's high in beneficial nutrients, as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. This video takes a closer look at some of the top health benefits of eating cucumber. 1. It's high in nutrients. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in water and several important vitamins and minerals. Eating cucumbers with the peel provides the maximum amount of nutrients. 2. It contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that block oxidation, a chemical reaction that forms highly reactive atoms with unpaired electrons known as free radicals. The accumulation of these harmful free radicals can lead to several types of chronic illness. In fact, oxidative stress caused by free radicals has been associated with cancer and heart, lung, and autoimmune disease. Fruits and vegetables, including cucumbers, are especially rich in beneficial antioxidants that may reduce the risk of these conditions. One study measured the antioxidant power of cucumber by supplementing 30 older adults with cucumber powder. At the end of the 30-day study, cucumber powder caused a significant increase in several markers of antioxidant activity and improved antioxidant status. However, it's important to note that the cucumber powder used in this study likely contained a greater dose of antioxidants than you would consume in a typical serving of cucumber. Another test tube study investigated the antioxidant properties of cucumbers and found that they contain flavonoids and tannins, which are two groups of compounds that are especially effective at blocking harmful free radicals. 3. It promotes hydration. Water is crucial to your body's function, playing numerous important roles. It is involved in processes like temperature regulation and the transportation of waste products and nutrients. In fact, proper hydration can affect everything from physical performance to metabolism. While you meet the majority of your fluid needs by drinking water or other liquids, some people may get as much as 40% of their total water intake from food. Fruits and vegetables, in particular, can be a good source of water in your diet. In one study, hydration status was assessed and diet records were collected for 442 children. They found that increased fruit and vegetable intake was associated with improvements in hydration status. Because cucumbers are composed of about 96% water, they are especially effective at promoting hydration and can help you meet your daily fluid needs. 4. It may aid in weight loss. Cucumbers could potentially help you lose weight in a few different ways. First of all, they are low in calories. Each 1 cup, 104-gram, serving contains just 16 calories, while an entire 11-ounce, 300-gram, cucumber contains only 45 calories. This means that you can eat plenty of cucumbers without packing on the extra calories that lead to weight gain. Cucumbers can add freshness and flavor to salads, sandwiches, and side dishes and may also be used as a replacement for higher-calorie alternatives. Furthermore, the high water content of cucumbers could aid in weight loss as well. One analysis looked at 13 studies including 3,628 people and found that eating foods with high water and low calorie contents was associated with a significant decrease in body weight. 5. It may lower blood sugar. Several animal and test tube studies have found that cucumbers may help reduce blood sugar levels and prevent some complications of diabetes. One animal study examined the effects of various plants on blood sugar. Cucumbers were shown to effectively reduce and control blood sugar levels. Another animal study induced diabetes in mice and then supplemented them with cucumber peel extract. Cucumber peel reversed most of the diabetes-associated changes and caused a decrease in blood sugar. In addition, one test tube study found that cucumbers may be effective at reducing oxidative stress and preventing diabetes-related complications. However, the current evidence is limited to test tube and animal studies. Further research is needed to determine how cucumbers may affect blood sugar in humans. 6. It could promote regularity. Eating cucumbers may help support regular bowel movements. Dehydration is a major risk factor for constipation, as it can alter your water balance and make the passage of stool difficult. Cucumbers are high in water and promote hydration. Staying hydrated can improve stool consistency, prevent constipation, and help maintain regularity. Moreover, cucumbers contain fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements. In particular, pectin, the type of soluble fiber found in cucumbers, can help increase bowel movement frequency. One study had 80 participants supplement with pectin. It found that pectin sped up the movement of the intestinal muscles, all while feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut that improve digestive health. 7. Easy to add to your diet. Cucumbers can be eaten fresh or pickled. They can be enjoyed as a low-calorie snack or used to add flavor in a variety of dishes. 8. Reduces stress. Cucumbers are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B complex, which include vitamin B1, vitamin B5, and vitamin B7. These vitamins work together in relaxing your nervous system and help provide relief from the panic attack and stress-induced anxiety. 9. Improves brain health. Cucumbers contain an anti-inflammatory flavonoid that is great at promoting brain health. The flavonoid helps boost the connectivity of your neurons, thereby improving your cognition. It will not only help in taking care of your memory but also will protect the nerve cells from age-related damage. 10. Protects heart health. Cucumbers contain high levels of potassium, which is great at regulating blood pressure. Potassium acts as an electrolyte that helps regulate cellular functions. It also aids in taking care of the nervous system, muscle contractions, and cardiac functions as well. Also, the fiber content in cucumbers helps prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries and prevent arterial blockages. 11. Reduces cancer risk. Rich in antioxidants which help block oxidation that produces free radicals which can lead to several types of chronic illness, cucumber can be pointed out as being beneficial in preventing the onset of cancer. The detoxification property along with that of the antioxidant property of cucumber fights off the radical cells present in your body. 12. Improve kidney health. One of the other major benefits of consuming cucumber on a regular basis is that it helps lower the uric acid levels in your system, thus keeping your kidneys in good shape. It is also considered to be a natural remedy for cleansing kidneys, as it flushes out debris and dissolves small kidney stones. 13. Heal stomach ulcer. Cucumber eating benefits go deep down into the system. When it comes to stomach ulcers, the cooling property of the cucumber does a wonderful job. The alkalinity of cucumber helps heal stomach ulcers. Up to 2 glasses of cucumber juice can be consumed daily to get relief. Cucumbers are a refreshing, nutritious, and incredibly versatile addition to any diet. They are low in calories but contain many important vitamins and minerals, as well as a high water content. Eating cucumbers may lead to many potential health benefits, including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar levels.